Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be doing this unboxing. It's going to be a quick one, guys. This box came in from Influencer as usual. This, and what I have in there is this. Okay, is the deodorant. All right, these deodorants they have different types, and I've tried it in the past, but for some reason I did not repurchase it anymore. I just like, when it comes to deodorant, I always try different types because I sweat a lot under my armpit and I'm yet to find the one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am yet to find the one. I sweat a lot, and especially when I'm nervous, I sweat more from under my armpits. So I've been doing a lot of research, doing a lot of experiments with different types of deodorant. That's the reason why I keep switching from one to the other, from this to the other. I don't know if you all have noticed in some of my video, but I've seen how sweaty my armpit is. Yeah, I'm human. Yeah, I cannot control it. What can I do? But I'm still looking for the one though. I haven't found it. So this one came in. So I was like, oh, okay, I've used it in the past. So I said, yeah, I could talk a little bit about it, and I'm going to give it a try again and use it. So before going further in this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Please like this video, leave me comments in the comment section, please, and let me know your thoughts about this video. All right, guys. So while I hold on to this box, I'm going to go ahead and talk about this essential deodorants by Arms and Armors. That's what we're going to be unboxing today. All right, guys. So it is natural without going overboard. Essential deodorant from Arms and Armors is free of aluminum and parabens, and is made with odor-fighting baking soda and natural plant extracts. Made from ingredients you know and trust. Essential deodorant has 24 hours odor protection and now even more moisturizers. Available in 4 fresh scents. Arms and Armor Essentials, a natural way to stay fresh. Alright, guys, that's what I said. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly talk about aluminum. A lot of people have attached aluminum with cancer, breast cancer, and all that. Okay, I don't know why I'm not a specialist in this area, but according to my research, what I read, aluminum might be of great concern if you have kidney problem, especially if your kidney function is about 30% less. That's what I read on the internet. Okay, so it says aluminum compounds are used extensively in cosmetics and pharmaceutical products. In antiperspirants, aluminum salts are the ingredient that prevents sweating, and this particular product claims that there is no aluminum in it, and they said aluminum prevents sweating. So I want to put that in test. You all know I told you in the beginning of this video I sweat a lot under my armpits, so I'm going to apply this and let's see how it's going to control the sweat. Of course, you all know I will give you my honest, genuine opinion, honest, genuine review. That's the right word. All right, so I'll go ahead and open this box because aluminum is the one that is supposed to help to prevent the sweating under my armpits, according to what I read. But this particular product doesn't have aluminum, and people have attached aluminum with cancer. Some people said it leads to cancer. I don't know how far is true. That's why people are kind of going away from aluminum deodorant that contains aluminum. And I guess that's the reason why most of the company are coming out with the one that doesn't have aluminum in it anymore. Anyway, according to what I read, like I told you guys, aluminum is supposed to help to prevent the sweating, but this product doesn't have in it. So they must have put something in place of aluminum that will help to prevent the sweating. That's my belief. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. All right, I already opened it, and this is how it came. Of course, it always always comes with a card, which is this. All right, and they have different 4 types. Just like I said earlier on, they have juniper berry, they have rosemary lavender, they have unscented, and they have orange citrus. All right, so I don't know what type I have in here. So I have rosemary lavender. I have rosemary lavender. That's the one they sent to me. All right, this is how it's looking. All right, it's 24 hours odor protection. Okay, which I like I told you, I sweat a lot under my armpits, but thank God it doesn't have odor. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is how it is. You just, of course, this is no brainer, you know. We all might have used something like this in the past. You just scroll it from, you know, under and it comes up. So I'll go ahead and apply it, and I'm applying it at 12:37. And I'll go ahead and do the rest of what I have to do in the house and some other video that I have in mind to do today by the grace of God to get through them. Then I will come back to the camera. Whatever time I finish, I will come back and let you guys know if I'm sweaty or not. Currently, I am a little bit sweaty under my armpits, and I've told you guys that is just me. It's natural for me. And like, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Lavender, yes, I can get the rosemary lavender scent there. It smells so refreshing too. So yeah, I just hope it's just control the sweat under my armpits, but I'll be back. Yeah, I hope it control the sweat under my armpits, and I'll be back to let you guys know. This is 12:37 that I applied it, 12:37 p.m. of course. I'll be back on the camera to let you guys know how it works. How about that? All right guys, so I am back on the camera. This is 5:11. I applied this deodorant at 12 something. I forgot the time I mentioned at the beginning of this video, but this is about 4 or 5 hours after. 12, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, about 4 or 5 hours after. Okay, so this is my final review. I mean, this is supposed to last for 24 hours, and I couldn't test it for 24 hours, of course. I told you guys I was going to do some other stuff in between, and being the kind of person I am, I sweat regularly under my armpits. Regularly, like it is normal for me. So I've been experimenting, trying all sorts of deodorants, but I've been lucky enough that whenever I sweat, it doesn't smell. I know you guys can see, you can't feel it, but that's just the ultimate truth. It's just sweat, but no bad odor, because I use deodorants of all different types, because I've not found the one. All right guys, so I've tried this in the past, long time ago, before I even become a YouTuber. All right, so I couldn't even do anything about saying review or tell you my experience then, but now I can totally tell you that it works a little bit for me. I don't know about you, it's not 100% for me. I'm still going to keep trying something else. Another thing that I want to talk about is the scent in it. The scent, which is rosemary lavender, did not linger on for a long time. The scent fainted away easily. All right, I wish it's stronger, like, you know, that if somebody walk past you or walks up past somebody, they can actually smell the perfume, the scent. That's what I meant. But there is no bad odor, because, you know, I smell it, of course, before coming to the camera, and I'm also doing it like now. There's no it stopped the odor like a claim. It's just that the scent of that rosemary, it's not lingering, it's not there anymore, like strong like the way it was when I first applied it. Okay, so will I recommend this? Yes, if you're not the type that sweat a lot. But if you sweat a lot, I don't think this is going to be the one for you, because I can still feel, you know, sweat under my armpits during my here and there in the house, doing this, doing that. I told you that's the kind of person I am. Naturally, I sweat under that place, especially when I'm very active or when I'm nervous. I sweat there. So this did not, it didn't hold on to the sweat completely, but it held it for a little bit. Like I didn't feel it, but after a while, you know, the inner pits of our armpits, I started feeling a little bit of wetness there. So that is why I said, if you're not if you feel like you don't really sweat a lot, it might work for you. But for somebody that sweats really a lot under there, especially in the inner armpits, yes, it's not going to do the job for you. You might want to try something else. That's what I can say about it. And this is my final review, and this is my honest truth about this product. I'm still trying to see which one is the one for me. So if you have an idea of any deodorant that you have used in the past, if you happen to have my kind of experience that you always sweat a lot under your armpits, please leave it in the comment section. I wouldn't mind trying it and let you know how I feel about that. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.